Hey there, this is alchemist.camp, where we learn to program in Elixir by building things. And this time I've built a Phoenix 1.3 app out of the StatWatch module that has been in this channel a few times so far. And I thought it was going to be an absolutely trivial app, but it ended up being a little more involved, so apologies for taking a while. This will be live on statwatch.me very soon, and I'm going to let anyone who wants to use it. So I'll show you basically what it does. You can sign up, make a profile. So say my profile is Mark, and my username is also going to be Mark. My email is going to be mark@tushua.com. My password is going to be mark. And the confirmation is also Mark. All right. And you can see this is my new account. When I log in, by the way, then it doesn't show the password. It just shows it when you're creating it, because I have a tendency to mistype it when creating it, even with the confirmation sometimes. So from this screen, basically all you can do is create a profile. This is a profile of what stats you want to track. So I'm going to call this profile Tushua, and it's going to be tracking my old blog, tushua.com, and then Twitter, same, and then a YouTube channel ID, which you're going to have to go to YouTube and find. It's kind of hard to remember those. And once you set it up, it will actually log the first set of stats for you, and then once a day from there on. So I can see I have this many subscribers to my YouTube channel, this many videos, this many total views, this many Twitter followers, and this is the Alexa ranking of the website. And every day these stats will keep logging. I can come back and check whenever I want, or I can create some more profiles if I want to. And this app restricts it so that you can only see a listing of your own profiles. But anyone with the name of the profile can see it, and all the information is actually public information anyway, since YouTube, Twitter, and Alexa all share those stat points for free. So let's say I go to Alchemist, which is one. Now I can see this is stats that I've logged in testing for alchemist.camp. Notice there's no delete button anymore. So this app does have various account level permissions. Actually, what you can see depends on whether if you're logged in, whether if you are looking at your own stuff, and whether if you're an admin. So this is basically the app. I just made it to track my own stats. You know, I was kind of curious about how my channel was growing, so I decided to make it. And let me give you a quick view from the admin. And it's pretty much a fully featured CRUD app. And this is what we've got. Being the admin, I can see all the users created, of course. This is obviously test data, as is this, all from one row of the keyboard. This is from the next. SamiM is also not legit. Obviously, everything on here is test data because I made it. Oh, I set the admin flag on that one. So this is the app. Now I understand pretty much anybody on this channel is capable of making a logging tool like this. And in fact, I have taught how to make exactly this logging tool from scratch in previous videos. And in future videos, I'm going to be going over how to take that tool and build out a whole fully featured Phoenix web app like this one with an account system and so forth. But I bet a bunch of you also have a bunch of side projects you're working on and may not want to spend the time to build it. And it may be something where you just want to keep tabs on how much your blog or your YouTube channel or your Twitter account is growing. And if so, this is for you. Understand, I don't make any promises about the accuracy of anything, or that the stats will continue being collected, or that my API access won't get shut off. this is a side project within a side project. I'm giving it away for free, so don't sue me. Also, in order to stay under the API limits, I'm going to restrict this to the first 1,000 users / profiles. One user can make a bunch of profiles. After there are 1,000 profiles logging stats, I'm going to look and see how close I am to bumping up against free API limits, because obviously I don't want to spend money to give something away for free to everybody when I'm also spending time and teaching everyone how to do it, because I love you all, but I'm not completely self-sacrificial. So this is the deal, and if you have no interest in using the tool but you'd like to learn how to build tools like it, then by all means stay tuned. More videos will be coming soon about using Phoenix and Phoenix 1.3 to build web apps, and actually more videos about all kinds of stuff. So apologies again about the delay to get this out, but many videos are coming soon, and until next time, code on.